Nothing that they could do, nothing that they could say, nothing that they could do to take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. So this is gonna be a garden vlog. Got a couple things going on in the yard. Hopefully I can get everything pretty much done today. So right now at this moment, hose is being put in the buckets. I gotta go today and get more buckets. Gotta go and get more buckets today. That's crazy. But I love it. So Kylie and my son is putting hose in the bins and in the buckets, okay? Oronde is over here working the soil. If y'all saw the video by now, y'all done saw the soil video where we've been amending it. We had to stop yesterday, so we got to do this right here. And we got another thing over there to do. Summer is laid out, chilling. I know she didn't just turn her head. I know, wait a minute. I know she did just turn her head. I know she did just turn her head. I know you didn't. Everybody be asking about Summer. A lot of y'all be asking me what type of dog she is. She is a pit bull and beagle mix. And she mean. Summer, you gonna tell everybody hi? So say you don't like nobody but the people in the house. Oh, now any other time you'll be all up in the camp. But you want to follow me around, so this dog be thinking she be running me, okay? She thinks she be running me. Okay. Alright. Look, y'all. I want to walk out, now she gonna look at me. Now she know I'm talking about her. She gonna look like whatever. Like whatever. Okay, so right here, they are working on that. Yesterday, Tatiana and Kylie washed out the buckets, bleached them down and everything. The bins had been bleached down. They were from a batch that I picked up when I picked up buckets. So they are putting holes in these. Yeah, so what I'm about to work on is, y'all will see, what I'm about to work on is I'm taking, and I mentioned this in the soil video, probably before, I'm not sure, it'll be before, but I'm not sure like when. But anyway, I told y'all that I am going to get rid of 100-gallon grow bags. They are taking up too much soil. Unless you putting a tree in here, them roots ain't gonna make it all the way down to the bottom from what I'm doing. All it gonna be buckets, okay? And I'm gonna get that soil that I can use in buckets, okay? So that's what I'm about to do, is start transplanting my tomato plants, little tomato plant and stuff. I got some beets in here and some cherry bella radish. Let me see, this one is trying to flower. Let me see what this radish doing on here though. It ain't no radish yet. It ain't no radish yet, but it's flowering. But yeah, I'll stick that back in there in a minute. Well, it's gonna come out anyway, so it's all good. So yeah, so that's what I'm about to do. I got green onions over here. I'm about to throw in some buckets too. So yeah, all type of green onions. Not green onions, they onions, but you know, you can harvest the top off from them, you know. So yeah, so that's what I'm about to do right there. Alright, y'all. So these are beets. So I took them out of here. And I am about to replant them in buckets, okay? But these are the Detroit dark beets. I dropped one. Maybe I should hold them like this so you can see. Ain't that pretty though? That is like so pretty. But they're about to go. I'm probably gonna put all these in one bucket, because it's not that many. It's not that many. But look at that. Ain't that so pretty? So pretty. So pretty. Alright, y'all. So I did the Tumbling Tom yellow tomato up out of here. And I did my radishes right there. And I put my beets right here. Now we'll see. Some people are like, oh, you need to thin them out, whatever. This will be just fine, okay? Some of them I did plant deeper, so when it started growing it'll be a little deeper down, and some a little higher. That'll give me more space. All right, so that's why I did it that way. But now I'm about to go over here and start doing my onions. They're gonna be a variety. These are the actual onion bulbs, but you can harvest the greens when they get like 6 feet tall or whatnot. You can harvest them anytime you want to, but hey, that's what they say on the bag, okay? So, and that's the leaves, of course, but these is the actual bulbs. So I'm about to be transplanting them into containers too, so I can use this soil that's in these grow bags to fill more buckets. Alright, y'all, so I just finished the onions and it ended up being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buckets of onions. Okay, let me show y'all what they look like. And like I said, I did plant some higher and some lower, okay, that way I could get, you know, they can have room. I still can pop some things in here, small things, some lettuce or whatnot. I can still do that all the way around, but it's these 3, these 2, and this one right here. So now these 2 grow bags are empty. I may save one of them for over there. I haven't decided because I do need an area for my peanuts. So I may leave them 2 that's over there just for that, because I got 2 that's over in that corner. Yeah, I may fill those 2 up just for my peanuts. Nope, I'm not. I'm gonna put peanuts in buckets. How about that? Peanuts in buckets, because they still not gonna go as deep, and I want to save as much soil as I can. So that's what I'm gonna do. Peanuts in buckets. Okay, y'all, so lunchtime is over. So I am about to get this stuff tomato caged. That is what I'm about to do. It's time to put cages on everything. So lunchtime was just some viands and a honey bun and a juice. That's what I had. Something simple, easy, protein and quick, you know, all that. So yeah, now it's time to get this stuff all tomato caged up. Let's see how far I can go.
Everybody's been saying that you're up to no good. Everyone has been telling me that you got me hooked. You're playing it big time. You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet that you weren't nice, but now I am telling you I'm going to smile. But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door.
Alright, y'all, so I am back home. So I had to go and get these buckets, and I'm happy. So this is 22 buckets. So let me go ahead and show you what I was able to finish. Haven't put everything out yet, but was able to get this stuff taken from there. So hopefully be able to finish it tomorrow. I hope it ain't gonna rain. Hopefully I'll be able to finish tomorrow. And I was able to put my stuff, my tomato cages around my plants. Okay, so I kind of ran out. I think I got a couple more tomato cages, just a few more, and then the rest I'm probably gonna get staked. Okay, because that'll probably be the cheapest route for me to go, is use stakes. So I probably would be doing that on pepper plants and stuff like that. So yeah, got all the bins with holes in them. This is some over here, because this is gonna be for like the little fruit orchard. And then over here, I think we missing 2 bins over here that don't have dirt in it, because this is for my beans. I'm gonna do all beans and peas off up in here, and I am gonna put some buckets here in the center too with, I don't know what I'm gonna put in it, probably beans on some stakes. I'm not sure, but still got this pile of dirt right here to get perlite for. And I still have them 2 grow bags right there, and a little bit in that grow bag over there. So still got plenty of dirt, and I got this dirt. So still got plenty of dirt. And yeah, it's coming all together, y'all. It's coming all together. All right, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this vlog, okay? Little garden vlog. I hope it was motivational, inspirational, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna leave it right here. Y'all know the thing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. Hit the notification bell to be notified, so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one, if it's Jehovah's will. I love each and every one of y'all. Y'all be safe, okay? Till next time. Mwah. Bye. Okay, y'all, that's the end of this video. I hope y'all was motivated and inspired. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one, if it's God's will. Y'all be safe, okay? Until next time. Mwah. Bye.